In this video, I'll show you how you can check your profit and loss on Binance. Now, there's no way that you can instantly calculate it from the website, but what you can do is you can head up here and you can go to your transaction history, then simply head over to the spot order. And what you can do is you'll be able to see all of your orders from in here. So you can just check the sell price and the buy price, and then you can calculate it on your own when you have those numbers. So that is the way that you can do it in here. Now, sometimes they will show an average from when you bought them, and you can also calculate your P&L from in there. But the easiest way to do is simply by checking your history and finding the ones that you bought and the ones that you sold. So if you bought it for 5 and you sold it for 6, then obviously you made $1. So that is the easiest way to check it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.